Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we're going to make kind of my version of beef stir fry. It's not your typical Asian Chinese stir fry, but it's my version. Hope you all like it, and I know I do. So anyways, sit back, relax, grab a cold beverage, and I'll get to cooking. Alright y'all, we're going to start out by prepping our beef. I picked up these, they're ribeye or beef eye round steak thin cuts. They're on clearance because they need to be used up. So we're going to take them suckers. We'll use them up. So just cut them up in nice little thin strips here. I got like 3 packs of them. It's like 1.5 pounds or something like that. So like I said, they're nice thin little pieces, so they'll cook up nice for our meal. You want to use something that's not real fatty on these, so and it always helps to have a good sharp knife too. So you know, sharp knives don't cut people, dull ones do. At least that's what my dad always told me, and he was a meat cutter and did it his whole life, so I tend to believe him. Alright, we got one more pack here. I don't know if you guys can hear that in the background, but they're trimming some trees across the street. Matter of fact, they're trimming the tree that damaged my house. So I think they're taking it all the way down, but you never know. So, alright. Alright, got all our meat prepped, ready to go on that. So let me grab the frying pan and a couple other little ingredients, and we'll bring you guys back when we're getting that ready. Alright y'all, I got about a tablespoon or so of vegetable oil in the bottom of the pan here. So we're going to throw the steak in here and get her going. I like to break mine up just a little bit there to make sure she's not sticking together, but you know, not a real big deal. Alright, got all that in there. I'll grab the lid, put the lid on there. Put the lid on. I'm going to let her cook medium low, just until it gets all browned up and that steak starts getting done, and then we'll add the rest of our ingredients. Alright y'all, let's check on this stuff here, see how she's doing. Oh yeah, coming along real nicely. That's probably, most of that's probably already cooked all the way through, so what we're going to do now is we got some frozen peas and carrots. Let's dump those in. Alright, I'm going to throw the lid back on it, let all that stuff steam up, and we'll bring you back whenever that's ready to go. So, alright, hang on. Alright, y'all, it's been 10-15 minutes or so. Ooh, she's cooking nicely. Let's run this around while I get my hand on here. Oh yeah. That smells good just the way it is, but I was gathering the rest of my ingredients for this stir fry and realized I did not have any soy sauce. How can I be out of soy sauce, you ask? I don't know. So we're going to improvise. We're going to make it just as good, if not better. So, you know, I went through all the pantry and everything else, and yep, there ain't none in there. So, like I said, we're going to improvise. So, we're going to start out here about a tablespoon, 2 not fresh minced garlic. And we're going to throw some onion powder in here. Maybe. Alright, it is clumped up. Alright. About that much. And we already got garlic powder in there, so you don't need any garlic powder or garlic. I'm going to throw a little black pepper in there. And then we're going to add some premium fish sauce. Yeah, about that much. So, get that all mixed up and thrown up in there. So, yeah, I can't believe I don't have any soy sauce. How in the heck am I going to make stir fry without soy sauce? Probably because I got 2 bottles of Worcestershire sauce up there and some other stuff. So, all right, we need something else. We need something to spice it up a little bit. We got a red pepper flake. We're looking to the cupboard here, y'all. We're doing this on the fly. Aha. There we go. Yeah. Red pepper flake. We're going to throw some red pepper flake in there just to give it a little bit of a kick. Good enough. So, alright. Just mixed around there a little bit. Alright, now we're going to add a little bit of sesame oil. We're going to turn the heat down just a hair. Alright. Now, get all that goodness back down in the bottom of that pan. Alright. Now, we need our we're going to use cauliflower rice in it. Because we're kind of going low carbish. Alright. course, that's frozen, so like I said, we turned the heat down a little bit. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit more. We're going to throw the lid back on it, let that stuff kind of steam up a little bit, and then when it gets all steamed up and ready, we'll mix her, we'll try her out. So y'all hang out. Alright y'all, that cauliflower rice should be warm by now, so all we're doing is just kind of basically warming it up, thawing it out, letting it get a little bit of the flavor from the ingredients that we had added in there. So, alright, yeah, she looks pretty good. So, let's get our bowl over here. We'll get a little scoop of that action in there. Some more of that vegetables and stuff in there. Alright, there we go. I'm going to turn the heat off. Take it off the heat. So, alright. Looks pretty tasty to me, so alright. Get over here and we'll do a little taste test. Alright y'all, time to find out if we flopped or if we flourished. So, try a little bit of the beef first. Yeah, I think it turned out pretty good with them ingredients. Of course, we got a little bit of the peas and carrots and cauliflower rice. That turned out pretty dang good. So, there you have it. Best laid plans of barren men sometimes go awry. You just got to improvise, you know, adapt and overcome. We adapted and overcame. Turned out to have a great meal. So, appreciate y'all watching. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, get the notifications of everything we do here in the kitchen, out in the shop, tractor pulls, or wherever we happen to be at the point in time that we're going to shoot some videos. So, love y'all, and as always, bon appetit.